Hello, all the students we stand up for. Good morning. I hope you all are doing great in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe, wash your hands before eating, after eating also. Don't go outside. Give your quality time to your parents. Play with your grandma, grandpa, with your cousin, with your brother, with your sister. Eat some healthy foods. Now, I hope you have already purchased your books. Okay, so you know already before summer vacation I used to give you only YouTube links, but now I am shooting video for you. Now I am going to teach you maths. Okay, maths standard 4 chapter 1. Maths standard 4 chapter 1. Chapter 1 contains revision. See, standard 4 page number 1 revision. Okay. Now, whenever you are going to watch my video, please keep this book, Arya Book Depot Composite Mathematics Standard 4. It will help you. So, chapter 1 is revision. Understood everyone? Chapter 1 is revision. Revision of previous work means whatever you have read in standard 3, that you have to do in standard 4, chapter 1. Now, it is visible to you. Guys, you have already enjoyed your holiday, summer vacation. I hope you have done my homework also. I have given you homework in maths as well as science also. So please do it in a beautiful way. Whenever school is going to open, we will ask the summer vacation homework, and whatever I am teaching you maths, in science, all homework I will ask. Okay. For maths, we have to make 2 copies. 1 copy for classwork means whatever I am explaining you have to write down, and whatever homework I will give you in PDF, it will be uploaded on Hartford website, and you have that homework you have to do in homework copy, and whenever school will open I am going to ask you that homework. Okay, so without wasting of time, let's come to chapter 1 revision. Revision of the chapter name is revision of previous work. Okay, from every question I will explain you only one question. Okay, because you have already read about this in standard 3. So let's come. Question number 1 is write the following in words. Question number 1 is write the following in words. So first question, one question I will explain you. 5803. Question number 1 is 5803. Again see, write the following in words. Question number 1 is 5803. First I am breaking it in expanded form. You need not to break it in expanded form. Okay. So what I will write? 5800. 800, again 0, 0, again 3. So this is expanded form. You need not to write this. Okay, for just explaining I am writing this. So how you will write? 5000. Okay, this is 800, and after this write and. Okay, 800. See 0, 0 we are not going to write 0, 0. Okay, we will just write 3. 5803. Is it clear? 5803. You need not to write this. I am just explaining to you. What you will write? FIVE 5 EHOUSAND 1000 EIGST 8 HUNDREB 100 AND and THREE. So 5803. Now we will go to question number 2. Question number 2 is, this is those who did not bought the book, please you can see. Okay. So question number 2 is write the following in figures. Question number 2 is write the following in figures. Write the following in figures. So first question is 5000. Okay guys, here when you will write you can give comma also. Okay, 5000 comma A-U-N-D-R-E-T. 100 A-N-D and 20 T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20 O-N-E-1. It is just opposite of question number 1. Means in question number 1 figure is given, means it is given in figure, you have to write in words, but in question number 2 it is given in words and you have to write in figure. Okay, so see what is this. 5,821. See 5,808 21 means 5,000. So 5,808 and 21. So 20 means 2 and 20 means 2. 20 means 1. So 5. See, this is ones place. Okay, this is 100. This is tens place. 100 place, and this is 1,000 place. Okay. So you can see this is ones place. That's why 1. This is 20 means tens place. That's why 20. This is at 100 place. That's why 8. And this is at 1,000 place. That's why 5. So that's why 5,821 means 5,821. Now we'll move to question number 3. So just you can see one time, you can note down also for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds I will erase it. Okay, student, done. I am erasing now. Come to question number 3. Okay. Question number 3 is write the smallest number of 4 digits, write the greatest number of 4 digits. Already you know about greatest digit, and just I am writing the smallest digit, and this is greatest digit. Now, smallest digit it will always start from 10, and greatest digit it will always start from 9. 2 digit 10, 3 digit 100, 4 digit 1000, 5 digit 10,000. Greatest digit 1 digit 9, 2 digit 99, 3 digit 999, 4 digit 9,999. It will go on. Okay. So for question number 3, I need not to explain you. Question number 4, I need not to explain you. Now I will go to question number 5. Or whatever you have read in standard 4, same thing is there. Look, not whatever you have read in standard 3. Okay. Look at the pattern. Look at the pattern and fill in the blanks. Look at the pattern and fill in the blanks. So first question is 412, 422, 432, 442. Fill the blanks, fill the blanks, fill the blanks. Okay. The first one is 412, the second one is 422, the third one is 432, and the fourth one is 442. You can see there is a gap of 10, means if you will add 12 plus 10, then it will become 22. If you will add 22 plus 10, it will become 32. If you again add 10, then it will become 42. Now, again if you will add 10, it will become 452. Again you will add 10, then 462. Again you will add 10, and 472. You need not to write this, just I am explaining you. But maybe in some question there will be subtract of -5, subtract of -20, subtract of 20, addition of 20, addition of 30. So you have to look carefully on this pattern. What does it say? Is it adding or it is subtracting? So by this you have to solve the other question of question number 5. Now we'll move to question number 6. Question number 6 is counting by twos. Counting by twos. Write the numerals from 5023. Write the numerals from 5023 to 5033. Okay. You have to write the numerals, means counting by 2. So add 2, 23 plus 2, 25, 27, 29. Like that you have to add till 33. Question number 7 is saying counting by fives, write the numerals from 300 to 345. So you have to counting by 5, okay, and you have to add it. Now go to question number 8. Question number 8, same as 6 and 7. Here you have to count by hundreds, 100, and you have to write. Question number 9, how many numbers are between 5329 and 5345? Means, like I will ask, how many numbers are 1 to 10? How many numbers? Then you will say 1 from 10. No. How many numbers are between them? Then from 2 we will start. And we will go through 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 numbers. You have to write that number, okay? Or you can write this number and you can write 8. So same as in question number 9 also you have to do. You will write a number and you just count and you will write it. Question number 10 is write the smallest number using all the digits. Okay, so 10 you can see. So question number 10 I will explain you in lecture number 2.